77% of adults in the US take dietary supplements daily. They spend a lot of money on it, but does it worth it? There is no doubt that the food we eat affects the health of our body and brain. And scientists all over the world prove that the diet may significantly increase the brain performance. I've been interested in this topic since I was 14, preparing for my chemistry and biology exams for applying to a medical school in my country, and now I refreshed some of my knowledge and I'm ready to share it with you. First, we are going to discuss some vitamins and nutrients that help our brain to work, and later we'll talk about taking dietary supplements. So let's dive into it. The ability of our brain to work highly depends on the diet we have, and everyone is aware of vitamins. The first vitamin I want to discuss is vitamin B6. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, higher concentration of vitamin B6 in the blood leads to better performance on 2 measures of brain. And moreover, it's known that vitamin B6 is required for neuron transmissions, which is the key function of nervous system. We can find B6 in avocados, chickpeas, and beef liver. The next vitamin I want to discuss is B12. B12 is crucial for our nervous system, and Medical News Today says that its deficiency may lead to severe damage of our nervous system. Moreover, Harvard Health Publishing says that B group vitamins may break down homocysteine, high concentration of which leads to developing of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. We can find vitamin B12 in beef, ham, and pork. And the last but not the least vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, and it reduces oxidative stress in our organism. And according to 2014 study, it may prevent people with Alzheimer's disease from functional decline. We can find vitamin E in sunflower seeds, almonds, and avocados. Although vitamins are important, there are also another important nutrients, and most of them are antioxidants. The first one is anthocyanin. According to Neil Barnard's TED Talk speech, anthocyanin is a powerful antioxidant that gives food blue color. Also, according to Neil, there was a study that proved that anthocyanin improves our memory ability to memorize. We can find anthocyanin in blue food, as I said before. It's blueberries, blackberries, eggplants, grapes. The next antioxidant is flavonoids. Flavonoids, according to the Harvard Health Publishing, decrease the risk of Alzheimer's disease and strokes in humans. And moreover, a big study showed that 70% and more chocolate may enhance neuroplasticity of our brain. Flavonoids, the food that contains flavonoids is cocoa beans and chocolate. Everyone likes chocolate. And the last essential nutrient is omega-3 fatty acids. It's an essential element of every cell in our organism, and especially in neurons. It's been proved by PROS-1 study that omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA fatty acids, improve our brain, our working memory. We can find omega-3 fatty acids in pecans, in walnuts, in flax seeds, and salmon. Although nutrients and vitamins are essential, it's not always helpful to take dietary supplements blindly. There are some consequences of it. Talking about general consequences, we should know that the compounds on the box may not usually match the compounds in the box, and moreover, the Washington Post study shows that with normal diet there is no need in taking dietary supplements. Talking about special reasons, we should mention that overdose of vitamin E may lead to hemorrhage, stroke, and moreover, talking about antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, it's better to take them with food, not with the pills. It's more beneficial for our organism. So we've talked about vitamins and other nutrients that help us with our brain performance, and we discussed why it's not usually beneficial to take dietary supplements blindly. However, well-balanced diet is always beneficial for our organism and the health of our brain. I want to finish my speech with the Buddha's words: to keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our minds strong and clear. Thank you.